Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to locate posts or reels that you have saved on Facebook, and if you want to watch them or look at them later. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Facebook, and you want to type in facebook.com/saved. Go ahead and search for that. And then any items you have saved should be available in here. If you have different collections, they should appear over here on the right side. If you want to delete any of these items, just select the three-dotted icon next to the picture and select Remove from Collection. And now it should be removed or deleted. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.